Welcome to yet another Caketastic Cakes how-to video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the baby booties that you see in this picture here. This is the next in the series of the baby shower collection that I made. And again, like the bow, the colors, anything like that, you can change however you want. They wanted more of a tennis shoe kind of sneaker look, so that's what I ended up making. If you change it, a little bit to make it meet your needs, no problem. But this will give you a good guide on how to do it. So I started out with the sides. It's just a rolled out pink. You can see the ends are kind of tapered down. And I take white, roll it out thin, and I wrap a thin strip around the bottom. That's going to become kind of where the sole connects to the shoe. Using the white again, I have a circle, and I'm going to cut a half a circle, and that's going to become the toe of the shoe. As you can see right there, matches up perfectly. It's because it's not like I did it 5 times before and just edited it out. So you just connect it with a little bit of water on your paintbrush, just like all of our other wonderful gum paste creations here. And I'm adding some stitching to the side of the shoe using my little stitch looking tool thing. And when you do it by the sides, make sure you leave room, because right here you can see I am pushing some holes through to make it look where the laces go. When I go around the top where the ankle would be, the stitch marking is really close, but I left room on the sides. And once you get your little marks in and your holes put in, I'm going to make the tongue. I just made a rectangle and rounded off the top, again with my little stitch tool to make it look like it's fabric. And then just paint some water on there and press it up into place. It might move the sides around, just tweak it, pinch it together. Try to curve the sides of the shoe over on top of the tongue of the shoe. It just makes it look a little better than having flat sides. It gives it less of a Cabbage Patch shoe kind of look. And this is obvious. All I did was roll out some really thin white laces and add them to the sides. Crisscross it, and there you go. You know how to lace a shoe, so you'll be fine, I'm sure. Place it on top of the white and then trim away the bottom of it, trace it out, and you made the soles. Let them dry, and you got a pair of super cute shoes. So if you like what you saw, please subscribe, hit like, and I will see you next time. Thank you very much.